How to download Dropbox on a Mac. I'm right here on the main Dropbox page. I encourage you to click the link in the video description below this video. I've got a free trial for you there with Dropbox. Once you click that, you will be on a page like this or very similar. And all you have to do to install is click this install button right here. That will actually download the app to your Mac. Depending on the setup, I have Google Chrome on my Mac, so everything instantly goes to my downloads folder. As you can see, the icon just flew up there in the top right, which is the universal symbol. It has in fact been sent to the downloads folder. So you just open up that file from there, the DMG file. There's some instructions here. It will either be a DMG or a zip file. You open it up and install from there on your Mac. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like. Check out my free trial offer in the video description so you can try out Dropbox, see if it's for you. If it isn't, that's fine. If it is, you can stick around with the platform and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.